Hello everyone. We will try to solve how to estimate the number of people at airport. Pause the video and work on this guesstimate and try yourself and get your initial approach ready so that it can also help you to think out of the box and make your acumen to solve this type of guesstimates. So let's start. Firstly, the step is to ask clarifying question to clear your doubts. There is no right or wrong question, so feel free and ask your question. First question is, which airport are we talking about? Here we are considering New Delhi Airport. Second, what is the time frame are we consider? Year, month or a day? Here we are considering for a day. Since we have clarified all the questions, so now it's time to form a goal of the problem. There are multiple ways to solve this. There are not right and wrong way. Interviewer just want to know how you are solving the problem in stepwise manner. To estimate the number of people, we have to understand that in airport, only those people who are traveling through flights. So we have to calculate the number of flights. As we know, we have to find out for a day. Let's start with 24 hours in a day and then divide it into peak hours and non-peak hours. As we know, New Delhi is a very busy airport, so we have to consider only peak hours and non-peak hours. Hence, we don't have to consider non-operational hours. We can consider non-operational hours for small airports. So peak hour we are considering 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. and remaining are non-peak hours. After that, in peak hour we are considering that in every 3 minutes there is a flight. And in non-peak hour we are considering in every 10 minutes. So in peak hour, 20 flights per hour, and in non-peak hour, 6 flights per hour. So there are 4 runways in New Delhi Airport. So the number of flights at peak hour is this, and in non-peak hour is this. And the total number of flights is this. And there is the total number of flights. Now the flights are of different sizes. The international flights are generally the big flight, and the seating capacity is also high as compared to the domestic flight. So we have to consider 400 seating capacity of international and 200 seating capacity of domestic flight. So we can calculate the number of people accordingly. But ideally, we can assume that 5% of the seats are unutilized due to the seats are not booked and many other reasons. So the total number of people at the airport is this. And if you have any doubts or have any questions, please do comment in the comment section. And keep exploring, keep learning, and stay curious. Thanks.